this video, I'm going to talk about CIS30A Lab 2 Exercise 9. We're given a string, no pain, no gain, with exclamation, question mark, and exclamation. We're asked to write the program that uses replace method to remove all the punctuations in a given string. And this is a fairly easy program. The most efficient way to do this is to use a for loop and an if statement. So just to illustrate this, I'm going to show this Python program in Tawny. I have a variable called strng, and this contains a string, no pain, no gain, as is indicated with the punctuation as it's shown in the problem. Then I would have the punc variable to store various punctuations, like exclamation point, question marks, period, semicolon, and I added more punctuation here than it was needed. Then I have a for loop. I would say for ch for the character in string if the character is in punctuation. If it is in this, and this is also a string, it's a group of characters. So it's going to iterate through the string, and it's going to check to see if it's also in punc in the second variable here. If that's true, then it's gonna update the string variable by replacing it with blank. So it's gonna take out all the punctuation and it's gonna show blank. And as it does that, it's gonna print the string each time. So as you can see, at first it's gonna print the string with the punctuation. Then in the next round, in the next loop, as it loops, it counts up, it's gonna remove the exclamation point and it's gonna leave the question mark. Then it's gonna print again, no pain, no gain. And lastly, it's gonna print. So because there are 1, 2, 3, so it would go up to 4 times, and it finally exited after it finished removing all the punctuation, the 3 ending punctuation here, the comma, and so after it did that, that's why it looped 4 times. So ultimately, this is a way that we can remove specific punctuation from the data that is stored in a location like a variable. And this concludes my video for Lab 2 Exercise 9 in CIS30A.